Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day so far and a good week. Today I'm gonna take you step by step my shower routine and share with you how to get the best or the most out of your shower routine. As you all know, and you've been following me for a while, I'm all about efficiency and cleanliness. I love to smell good, look good, feel good, and I feel like all of this ties into my shower routine. I'm more of a morning shower type of guy. I know some people do the nighttime shower thing. Sometimes I do, but usually it's in the morning, and I feel like I do have some sort of shower routine that I'm gonna share with you right now, and I'm especially excited because today's video is brought to you by Manscaped.com. I've worked with Manscaped in the past. I've used their products now for a long time. I think it's been about like 2 years now that I've used their products, and I stand by them. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, I'm not sure about you, but showering is one of the few times throughout the day that you have that time to yourself to get clean, get your mind right. And I like to play some music when I'm showering. It's just kind of like my way to get the day started, kind of even give mantras, like make myself feel good, clean myself. And I feel like after a shower, I feel amazing, right? Now, as I just said, if you've been following me for quite some time, you know that I'm a fan of Manscaped with their, all-in-one grooming kit, with their liquid formulations, their tools. Manscaped definitely knows that the grooming experience all starts in the shower. And the cool thing about this, and I'm excited to share with you, is that Manscaped just came out with 2 new products. They came out with the body wash, the daily shower gel, and they came out with the shampoo and conditioner. This is 2-in-1. I love me a 2-in-1 product, get the best and the most out of one specific product. And this is the newer body trimmer. This is the Lawnmower 4.0, which I have talked about before on my channel. So this is not new for you guys, but this is definitely their newer, body trimmer. This is great. I'll get into this in a little bit. First thing that I do is I start from up to down. So I start from my hair, or I start with my hair, and I use the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner from Manscaped. This is a new one, so I just started using this. I really like this. It really nourishes and revitalizes the hair with this like really luxurious lather, and it has added fragrance. It has cologne fragrance. It's refined, so it has this like very cologne-y, I mean like masculine, really nice scent. I love how this smells. It just smells super clean and fresh. It is infused with coconut water, green tea, aloe, turmeric, and sage. It's non-greasy, and it really does condition the hair. And I feel like my hair even feels thicker actually after I've been using this, which I really like. Plus the packaging looks really nice, especially these two in the shower. And I always say this, like, give yourself some time to massage your scalp while you're doing your shampooing, because what that does, the circulation of the scalp helps strengthen the hair so you can grow like thicker and hair maybe like a little faster. I think I've talked about this before in one of my hair growth videos. So definitely take that time to give yourself a massage. And it feels good too. So once you're done rinsing your hair and washing your hair, move down to step number 2, which is the body. Make sure you use a nice body wash like this. This is the new body wash by Manscaped. This is a premium daily shower gel that is also scented with Manscaped refined cologne. And it also has this really nice, luxurious type of lather with really great ingredients. It has aloe and I believe sea salt to really give you that hydration and care for your skin. And one of the best things in my opinion is that all of the shower products from Manscaped are cruelty-free, vegan, so you're not washing your skin with any harsh chemicals or ingredients. So I really appreciate that actually. Now that you're all cleansed, you want to move on to your body trim. It's great to do your body trimming and shaving in the shower. I just feel like it's cleaner. You don't have to get your bathroom all with hair. You can just do all of that in your shower. Plus that water and the heat from the shower really opens up your pores, makes it a more gentle like experience. And this is the Lawnmower 4.0. It's cordless, it's waterproof, and it has this awesome light right here that you can, you can see where you're shaving and trimming basically. And I just feel like it just makes sense, and it's better to shave in the shower and to trim in the shower. So I recommend this. So thank you Manscaped for stepping up my shower routine. Go to manscaped.com, get 20% off of your order using my promo code. I'll have it down below in the info box or in the comments. That is 20% off of your order plus free shipping. Step number 4, as I was just saying, use the steam to shave. I just find it so much easier. I don't have to bend over like in the sink, another day and like get hairs everywhere. Shop for a fogless mirror. They sell them on Amazon for like $5. Super inexpensive. It just makes it so much easier, more efficient. That steam really opens up the pores. It softens the hair follicles, makes it a smoother shave. I just have my shave gel in the shower already with my mirror. Now, number 5, another thing that I do, one of the last things I do is I actually wash my face in the shower. I have I have 2 cleansers. I usually have like a more inexpensive cleanser in the shower to do that, you know, Cetaphil or anything like that. Step number 6, I think we're at. Step number 6 is, this is controversial. Some people might be like, what? This is kind of weird. I, most of the time, brush my teeth in the shower as well. I have my toothbrush in the wall, this little holder. I have 2 toothbrushes, one in the shower, one by the sink. And I just feel like it's just easier to just do it all right there. I have a toothpaste right there as well. And I don't know, is that weird? Is that too much? Is that a lot? Am I doing the most? I was reading online and the American Dental Association says it is totally okay to brush your teeth in the shower as long as you still do it twice a day and you do it for 2 minutes each time. So I do that in the shower. I don't know if that's a waste of water. Now, last and final step is I actually do like the rest of my morning like skincare routine in the shower. I have my moisturizer and my serum right next to the shower. So I just, you know, when my face is still wet, I apply the serum, apply a moisturizer. And what that does is that, you know, it really helps lock in that moisture. A lot of people wait till their face is dry, like minutes later, to like apply the moisturizer, but it actually penetrates better when you have your skin still like moist. It just helps with water retention. So I just do that, apply my serum, my moisturizer, and once again, I just get all of that done in that short period of time. What does your shower routine look like? Do you listen to music while you shower? And lastly, are you more of a morning person or a night? Like, do you bathe in the morning or nighttime? I'm curious. Let me know down below. Thank you so much for joining me. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Adios.